In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on eBay in multiple quantities. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, understanding how to manage listings with multiple items can streamline your sales process and boost efficiency. To get started, you'll want to first navigate over to My eBay. From there, click on the Selling tab, and then head to Listings. Now, go ahead and select Create Listing. Here you'll begin crafting your new listing. Next, you'll need to enter the product title. Make sure to be clear and descriptive. For instance, if you're selling cables, you might type in something like USB-C cable 3-FET fast charging. This step is crucial because a catchy and precise title can attract more buyers to your listing. Now let's focus on the listing details. You can choose from existing options or create your own. This section allows you to provide essential information about your product, like its brand, condition, and specifications, which can help buyers make informed decisions. If you're planning on selling multiple units of the same item, it's important to choose the correct selling format. So under Selling Format, select the Fixed Price option, also known as Buy It Now. This format is perfect for listing several units because auctions don't support multiple quantities in a single listing. Auctions are more suitable for unique one-off sales. However, fixed price listings simplify the process for sellers who have multiple identical items. In the quantity field, enter the number of units you have in stock. For example, you could list 10, 50, or even 100 depending on your inventory. It's all about accurately representing what you have available. This feature is particularly beneficial because when buyers purchase, eBay automatically reduces the quantity available, so you won't have to relist the item each time a sale is made. This automation can save you time and keep inventory management seamless. Once the quantity is set, move on to fill in the remaining sections of your listing. These include uploading clear photos to showcase your product, setting up shipping details, and configuring payment options. Good photos and comprehensive information can enhance your listing's attractiveness and credibility. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the List Item button. This final step will make your listing go live on eBay, ready for potential buyers to discover and purchase your product. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage listings with multiple items on eBay, ensuring a smooth and successful selling experience. Happy selling, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.